Now, 7 suspects charged for allegedly killing 2 farm dwellers returned to the Piet Retief Magistrate's Court. The 2 men were allegedly tortured to death in August last year. They were accused of livestock theft. Some of the suspects are also charged with the murder of the Coka siblings. For more on this, we're joined now by eNCA senior reporter Siphamandla Goge. Sipa, we understand that out of the 7 people that were arrested, 3 of them are being rearrested after being out on bail for another case with regards to this. Explain to us a little bit more about what's happening with the 3 out of the 7.
This is what is happening. So in total, 7 accused persons will appear again today here at the Piet Retief Magistrate's Court in Umkhondo, Mpumalanga Province. What makes this case interesting and what makes it linked to the other case of the murder of the Coka siblings, that is Zenzele and Mcini Coka, is the fact that 3 accused persons in this murder case that we are talking about today were arrested previously in connection with the murder case of the Coka siblings. They include 2 farmers and an employee. So all 3 were out on bail in the other matter involving the Coka siblings, but they have since been re-arrested in connection with this murder case of Mr. Sfiso Twala and Mr. Musanene. Now, those 2 were killed last year in August, and their case has been dragging on, and their families have registered some concerns about the delays in the matter. So eventually last week, 7 suspects in total were arrested. Out of that 7, the 3 have already been arrested, charged and appeared in court. They were granted bail for the murder or in connection with the murder of the Coka siblings. So this case brings to the fore the issue of heightened racial tensions in the Umkhondo area, as the community members had previously threatened that they will come out in numbers to protest outside the Piet Retief Magistrate's Court because they say these murder cases are not properly investigated and no arrests are being made yet. In this case, police have defended themselves, saying, well, in August when the incident happened, they were able to arrest 5 people. They took the matter to the prosecuting authority, but they were told to go back and do further investigations. Hence, this case has been dragging since August last year. So what will happen today is all 7 accused persons will start their bail application hearing in a form of affidavits. All of them will submit 7 affidavits motivating why they should be given bail. The state has already told this court that they will oppose that bail because they classify this as Schedule 6 offense. We are talking about murder cases here, 2 counts of murder, kidnapping and torture. How did we get here? We got here simply because Mr. Twala and Mr. Nene, the state alleges that they had a tire breakdown or they had a tire punch near Pampun Kral farm. When they were busy fixing that tire problem, they were allegedly approached by a group of farmers and their employees who then assaulted them, kidnapped them, brutally tortured them, and they killed them. That's what the state is alleging, that what happened at the time. They were accused of stock theft, and today it will be that bail application hearing here. So it has not started. We are still waiting for the suspects or the accused to come out this hallway. My colleague Teboho will show you inside court. There is a brief that is taking place between the magistrate, the defense, as well as the state inside the court. If Teboho can just pen and show you, you will see inside the court the team of investigating officers is busy there consulting as the magistrate is inside there briefing the defense, the state, as well as all other people who have an interest in this matter. So today and tomorrow is set down for this formal bail application hearing.
Siphamandla, I'm not sure you spoke to us a little bit about the racial tensions in that area with regards to farm killings. Are we seeing or expecting any community members to be out there today to see the accused?
Indeed, we expect that they will come out today. Last week, in fact, no, on Monday, if my memory serves me well, there was a crowd that was outside when the accused persons appeared for their first court appearance. So today, community members have basically vowed that they will continue to strengthen their campaign. They say they will come out in numbers to support the Twala and the Nene family. So this case, they say, is linked to what has been happening in and around Umkhondo, and I can tell you that they have promised to come out in numbers and protest outside court. It's something that we have seen in previous appearances in connection with the murder case of the Coka siblings.
All right, that's Siphamandla Goge, eNCA senior reporter, out for us in Piet Retief.